Question today from Nicole. Do I pay payroll taxes if I'm only paying myself? Forgive me if this is a dumb question. I'm a dog trainer in New York State, not New York City, and I'm new to running my own business. I have a single member LLC and a separate bank account for my business. Good job. Separate bank account for your business is awesome. I would recommend getting some bookkeeping software that links that bank account to your business so that you can easily categorize your transactions, produce a nice profit and loss statement, a nice balance sheet out of there. It'll help you understand where your business is at financially, and will also make tax time a lot smoother. But that's not your question. But good job for that, Nicole. Let's get to your question. When I pay myself from the business account, okay, writing a check, so it sounds like she's doing things the old-fashioned way with checks, right? Not like an electronic, transfer or anything like that. So she's writing herself a check from Nicole's LLC to Nicole, right? Do I pay payroll taxes on that, even though I'm paying myself? I have no employees, it's just me. Thanks in advance. Nicole, no. No. You do not. If you own a single member LLC and it's just a sole proprietorship, right? You have not elected to be taxed as a corporation or anything like that, then you absolutely do not issue yourself as the sole proprietor owner of that single member LLC a W-2. You do not withhold payroll taxes. You do nothing with payroll, okay? This is an owner's distribution. It does not appear anywhere on your tax return, okay? Because what you're going to do on your tax return is simply report your profit and loss on your Schedule C. So I actually have a whole video about how to do your Schedule C. Link to that video at the top of the screen. But that amount that you pay yourself is not reporting your tax return, and you should not run payroll on it. It's simply an owner's draw from your own LLC. It's a balance sheet item. It'll appear in your, a balance sheet as distributions, but it's not going to appear on your Schedule C tax return. Now, this isn't to say that you don't pay taxes on what you earn in the business. You do. You will pay regular income tax on your earnings from the business. And you will pay self-employment tax, which is Social Security and Medicare taxes on your earnings from the business. Okay, and those are all calculated on your tax return. Now, what you should be doing, Nicole, is you should be determining how much in taxes that you owe throughout the year and make those quarterly estimated tax payments. Okay, I have a video about how to estimate your quarterly estimated tax payments as well. Link to that video at the top of the screen. But to answer your question, Nicole, no. The owner of a disregarded single member LLC sole prop should never, under any circumstances, put themselves on payroll and issue themselves a W-2. Okay. Now, if you have other employees, but you said you don't, Nicole. Yeah, they can. You don't have to be a corporation to have employees, right? A single member LLC can have employees and run payroll and still just report the income on Schedule C, and their wages will be on the wages line on Schedule C, right? But in your case, Nicole, no, you aren't going to be running any payroll if you're the only person in this business and you don't have any other employees. So hope that's helpful. I have my videos about how to do Schedule C on the side of the screen, along with my video about how to estimate your estimated tax payments. Hope those are helpful for any new business owners like Nicole and others out there who are getting their hustle on. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.